for a story called The Tortoise Magic Circle. This is a fun story for kids. One hot day, the tortoise was sitting near a cool river. He saw the fox coming. Hello again, slow friend. What are you doing here? Just enjoying the river. It keeps me cool. Still carrying that big sack, doesn't it make you tired? Not at all. This is not just a sack, it's magic. Don't joke with me. It's true. When I tap my shirt 3 times, I disappear. To see it? Yes, saw me. The tortoise smiled. He slowly walked behind a bush. Closely. 1, 2, 3. Then he quickly rolled into his cell and stayed very still. The fox waited and waited. Where did he go? He really disappeared? The fox ran in circles, looking for the tortoise. Magic sun, I must have it. He tried to carry the sun, but it was too heavy. Suddenly, the tortoise popped his head out. Tuh! clever Sir Master? Moral of this story is, use your brain, not just your body. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more interesting and fun videos like this. Bye!